what's up everybody? Hi guys, it's me Kimisha on my gaming channel. Woohoo! And so today I'll be playing a game called Oh my god, Supermarket Stimulator. And guys, I got a fridge. In my last video I didn't got a fridge. What is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a sugar and this is a something. So I have to order. There are like eggs. Oh, what is this? Tea bag? Storage is on shelf. Okay, tea bag and then milk, egg. What is this? Coffee medium? Oh no. Can I clear it, please? Can I clear the 77? Yep. There we go. That's it, so I'm gonna buy. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna wait while. Okay, so I got a fridge in here. Open. In here I have milk, cheese, mozzarella cheese, water bottle, egg, and then water bottle. I'm closing it. Okay, so this is empty shelf that I put it, place it there. Switch aside. What am I even doing today? Oh my god, I'm playing this one again. In my last video I got like more than, I don't know how many views. Okay, there we go. What is this? Okay, this is a coffee packet. So I'm gonna put it right here. This is actually expensive, guys. Oh my god, why am I closing it? It's actually expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, what is this? This is egg. Goes to place it. Okay. Throw. Oh my god, I just left one box right here. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna close the door and make it like, and then open. Yes, please, you can come in now. Should I order those? Yeah, I should order. Yep, I should order. No! I was like, I should order. Yes, bye. Okay, please come in. Sir, we're open 24/7. I'm just kidding, 23/7. Yes, I'm on 15 days, guys. How many? 5, 6, 7. 7:15? There we go. You can go now, ma'am. Sir. 7:22. 7:22. There we go. Oh, there's a coffee. Yay. Someone buys coffee. 52. What am I even doing for? There we go. Come again, ma'am. Well, I've seen you before. You just came in a while ago, right? 806. Yeah, I'm playing again with a new items. This video title is gonna be something like, I got a fridge. I just got a fridge. Yeah, I should name it the title one. I got a fridge, or I just got a fridge. Not I already got a fridge. So I got a fridge and I got a new item. Got a fridge and new item. 1668. So 18 1 2 3 1 2. There we go. I'm actually thirsty now, but it's fine. Okay, 15. Wait, I can't grab it. 1544. Come again, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I mean, not 1, 2. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. 1. There. Come again, sir. Wow, you bought everything, huh? We're gonna close soon. What am I doing? 6. 26. Okay. 6. 30. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna close later. 1, 2, 3. And then 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, we're close. We're close now. You can go back. We're close. Close now. Cause who's gonna open at night, right? 5, 60, 70. Okay. Who's gonna come here at like 9? Is it 9? Yeah. It's 9, so I'm gonna close at 9. 12:54. Okay, that's it. Oh my god. Ma'am, sir, come again. Yes, teabag. I have to refill. 1 item. I have 1 item left. What is this? Egg. People buy eggs, so I have to refill the egg. I'm just gonna close this and I'm gonna throw it. Oh, my items are here. I didn't know. I didn't know all my items are here already. Okay, I'm gonna open and then refill. Okay, some left. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it there. What am I even saying? Cereal. Oh, someone buys cereal. I didn't know. I didn't see it. Someone bought cereal. Okay, as a good person, I'm gonna close this and then put it in there. What is this? Oh, this is sugar. What did I buy again? Okay, oil. I need oil. So I'm gonna refill. And then I'm gonna put it there. Why am I making sounds? What is this? This is a flour. Yup. Okay, I have 2 items left. Yup. You can come in for some time. You can buy. I just open it again. I just open it again, please. If you hold something, I'm gonna. Now it's 10. Oh my god. No, it's actually 9, right? 21 is 9, right? 22. So 24 is 12, so 23 is 11, so 22 is 10. Okay, anyone gonna come here? No? What did you buy, sir? I said I'm gonna close at 9. I said I'm gonna close at 8. But no, I'm wrong. 5, 10. Come again, sir. That's it. It's already closed. Wait, what did you buy? What did he buy? What did he buy? Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you guys will be notified whenever I post new video like this, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!